This video documents a February 20, 2010 incident in which Sergeant Joseph Blickley and another Bensalem police officer were summoned to the Philadelphia Gun Club by club members during a cruel and illegal live pigeon shoot. Sergeant Blickley, a supervisor, repeatedly misrepresents the law and attempts to harass and intimidate two women. Unfortunately for Sergeant Blickley, one of his targets is Philadelphia attorney Marianne Bessie, who with her friend Valerie Trevino has more guts than the entire membership of the Philadelphia Gun Club combined.
So we would appreciate it if you would leave. You are on private property. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have the audio on those cameras?
Yes.
Okay, would you mind turning the audio off?
No, I don't need to.
Okay.
You know, do I have to repeat what I just said?
Well, I think this
lady?
is public access here.
Well, you're on private property and you're past
Well, I think
that
it's
point.
public. Well, I think this is
I think
public
you're past-
access.
Miss, it is a safety.
You understand you have every right to protest, but you can't be on their property without their consent.
Okay.
You can be on public property, you can be on the roadway where it does not impede traffic, but they have the right to ask you to leave the property.
Okay. Well, there is public access along here, so it goes to, you know, a certain point. So I think we're within that point.
Well, you are understanding that you're creating a safety hazard here.
No, I don't think we are.
Well, I am telling you that you are.
Well, what basis do you have for that? Because I'm telling you we're not.
You're in the roadway right now, creating a
Well,
safety
so
hazard
are you.
for people who come in.
So are the police
Because
officers.
you're here, I have to be here.
Well, I think we're standing by the side of the road. We were not in the road. We were always within the public access area.
Do you know exactly where your property limits are? And we'll ask them to stay outside that.
Technically, we are responsible up to the roadway.
Okay.
Well,
Now,
technically,
what we have...
In his effort to stop the documentation, the supervisor grossly mischaracterizes the Pennsylvania wiretap law.
certainly.
Okay, and I'm going to ask you to turn the audio and the cameras off because it's illegal in Pennsylvania.
It's not illegal.
Yes,
Okay.
it is, miss.
I'm sorry. It's not illegal.
Ma'am, you can videotape me, but I'm asking you not to audio tape without my consent. Can
Okay.
you please do that?
Well, I
That's
understand what you're
wiretap
saying. I
law,
do.
so it is illegal.
Okay.
I
Ma'am,
understand what you're saying.
Audio, it's just video.
Okay, there's no audio?
No.
There
Okay.
is audio on mine, and I'm a lawyer, and I know what the law is.
So you know about
I'll take the
wiretap
rest. You
laws,
can
is that
take me to
correct?
court.
Is that, do you know about the
I do.
wiretap laws?
Okay, well, I'm not going to get into that here. Do you have identification, please?
I don't on me, no.
You don't have
No,
identification?
I don't have identification on me, no.
Okay, you have no idea.
On me, no.
Okay, can I have your name, address,
Sure.
and birthday, please?
What do you need it for? Am I going to be arrested?
When we get a call, we need to take a police report that we get a
Okay.
call. That's all.
What do you need my ID for? Why do you need my name?
We're here on a police call. We're having contact with you, and we're going to identify you and name you on our police report. That's what we do.
Okay, well, I'd rather not give you my name.
Okay. Why would that be?
Because I don't think I'm doing anything illegal. I don't think I'm under suspicion of anything.
Okay.
Why do I need my name?
You just told me that you're audio taping us, and I asked you not to do that under Pennsylvania wiretap laws.
Okay.
Okay. She told me she's not audio taping. Audio taping. I have no problem with that. I'm asking you to do the same thing.
Okay, can we get a supervisor here? Because
I am one. That's
Okay,
why I'm here.
how about you? Above you?
That's not possible right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna take me into custody because of suspicion of violation of the wiretap law?
Did I ever say that? I asked for
Well,
your
you asked for
name.
my ID, so I'm under suspicion for something, and you said the wiretap law. So what? Okay, but
You
you said
asked-
the reason that you wanted my name and not hers was because of the wiretap law. And Val, please
Okay.
keep videotaping the people who come in.
Okay. You asked why we need your name and
Yeah.
your information. Did I
Right.
ever say that I'm going to take you into custody?
Well, you said that you needed it for the wiretap law. You said you think I'm in violation of the wiretap law, so I'm assuming that you're going to do something about that. That's why you need my name.
But I never said I was taking you into custody.
Okay, well then I don't think I need to give you my name.
Every police call that we go on, we identify who we talk to, who called the police, who we're talking to,
Well,
and they go in the police report.
Unless I'm under suspicion for something, I don't think I'm required to give you my name. I don't think I am. If you say I'm under suspicion for violation of the federal wiretap law or the Pennsylvania wiretap law, that's why you need my name, I'll give you my name.
I kindly asked you to stop audio taping. That's all I did.
Okay, you did.
Okay,
Yeah, and I
and-
said that I understand I'm a lawyer,
Okay.
well versed in the law. I've prosecuted cases under the federal and the Pennsylvania state wiretapping law. I know that this is legal.
Okay.
So, you're telling me you don't think it is, and you want my name to fill out in your report because you think I'm violating the wiretapping law. That doesn't make sense to me. Because if you think I'm
Okay.
violation of a crime, wouldn't you want to take me into custody and get all my information?
I never said that.
Okay, well then I'm not in violation of a crime.
I asked you to stop audio taping.
Right.
I said in Pennsylvania we have wiretapping laws. It's
Right.
not legal to audio tape someone without their consent. You refused. I asked you for your information. I never said anything about taking you into custody.
Okay. Well, I don't think I'm violating.
Okay.
This is public property. This is
Okay.
public access.
Well, I don't know that you're on
I
public
am-
property right now.
Well, I know that we are. I've looked into it. We've done this before. We've been here many, many weeks. We stand in the public access area.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Do you know for a fact that right now you're on public property?
well, because we stood, I mean, now I think we're in the driveway because we're talking to you.
Well,
But where
Okay.
we were
If
standing,
you're not sure either, how could you say that we're in violation?
I don't know. I do
Well,
not.
then,
Right,
if
then
no
why
one
are you-
knows, then somebody needs to find out, and it probably would be more of your responsibility being you're in the law.
They get sued.
Okay, here's what we're
Hi.
going to do.
okay,
We cannot have you stand in the driveway here
okay,
on this side of State Road where this is plowed because they've maintained it and they don't want you on the driveway.
okay,
If you want to stand on the other side of these snowbanks, you can do that, okay? We're going to find out through the township exactly where their property line is, but for right now, we're going to ask you not to impede their traffic and not to stand in this driveway. If you want to stand on the other side of State Road, I can't tell you to stand on someone's private property. If you want to stand anywhere that's public property, you can do that. We don't know exactly how far their private property goes to State Road or what's considered public access because there is no sidewalk here under the snow. But what they're asking is you don't stand on this plowed driveway and you stand on the other side of these snowbanks.
okay.
Meaning, what would that be?
Okay.
Okay, let me finish. What will happen if we don't move?
If this is private property and you don't move, you could be cited for trespassing.
I'm asking you, what will happen now today if we
Right
don't
this
move
second.
right now?
Not
you don't move-
before
Yeah.
you find out what. his
Yeah, like right now
property
you're
lines
taking
are.
his word for it and maintain, and your understanding of law is that because they maintain this driveway, we have to go, a certain
What-
distance from the snow. I'm asking you, what will you do if we don't move?
I will go to the township. I will find out exactly where their legal property line is, and if law enforcement action has to be taken or citations have to be issued, that'll be done. What the question is right now.
This is the same Bensalem Police Department that has refused to bring charges against Philadelphia Gun Club members for multiple violations of law and documented criminal behavior, including assault, the intentional obstruction of license plates, obscenities, reckless driving, and knowingly shooting on a person legally positioned on a public waterway. In fact, the shooting incident happened on the very day it is the incident you are looking at. The police were quick to respond to the gun club's shotgun-wielding members' call about two women armed only with video cameras standing on the public way. But Shark's call to the same police department about shots fired on their boat was completely ignored. But wait, there's more. Watch what happens when the officers told about a Mercedes SUV owned by the gun club's secretary barely missing a woman earlier in the day.
Officer, while you're here, we got somebody on videotape who almost sideswiped me deliberately. He actually went into the snow trying to hit me when I was off the road. So, well, I'll have to look at the video to see what I captured because I won't make a report unless I actually got his information.
All right. I can assure you no one has given these people any reason to be unsafe. We would not do something like that.
Well, videotape doesn't lie.
We are being as courteous to you as we possibly can.
Video doesn't lie, so we'll see.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does? Okay.
This gun club member's self-serving assurances to the contrary, the incident did indeed happen.
Oh, he's trying to get me. Ooh.
He wanted to-
Yeah, he did.
Oh my God.
Did you see that? Be careful, Val.
Predictably, the Bensalem police have taken no action whatsoever against those responsible.
Wow.
I'm sorry, what did that club member say again?
We are being as courteous to you as we possibly can.
Let's see another example of club courtesy the very same day.
Go fuck yourself, you rotten cunt!
That club member, who we call the Mummy, perfectly displays that signature Philadelphia Gun Club courtesy. You can see much, much more of the outrageous behavior of Philadelphia Gun Club members and the accompanying incompetence and/or corruption of the Bensalem Police and the Bucks County District Attorney's Office at bensalemcorruption.com and buckscountycorruption.com. This is Steve Hindy for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.